Hey, well, good morning and welcome to December 31st, 2020. I thought I'd take you inside the shop and show you what's on the bench. Got a couple Dulcimers going, got a couple ukuleles going. Come on in, let's see what's going on. All right, so we're back in the shop here, sitting at the bench. Like I said earlier, it's December 31st. It's New Year's Eve. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm gonna be 68. It seems like it was just a year ago that I was 67. It's weird, but tomorrow's my birthday, so I'm excited about that. This is number 866. This is a teardrop dulcimer that's going to be taken out of its clamps. I put the soundboard on yesterday. So we'll take it out of all the clamps and see how it turned out. Hopefully, here she is, number 866. Teardrop. Single sound hole. Cherry, really nice piece of cherry. We've had some old cherry trees that went down on our property that I've been able to get this milled out and to make a really nice instrument back. So this is 866. So this one will be done by tomorrow, by January 1st. Here's 867. This is this is the back for 867. Another piece from that cherry tree. Here's the top for 867. Another piece of straight grained Port Orford cedar, and this will be an hourglass, 25-inch hourglass. Here's the sides. I just got them out of the bender, so they're ready to go. This is 867. It'll be a cherry 25-inch hourglass, and I think I'm going to do a single sound hole on it as well to kind of match the 866 teardrop. And then I was asked a question this morning about our ukuleles, and there hasn't been a whole lot of posting about our ukuleles, so I wanted to get you all up to date on those. This will be, and I'm sorry I don't know the numbers, the serial numbers of these guys, but this is going to be the top for my next ukulele that's being built. It's going to be a tenor. Here's the sides. This is Pistachio from Northern California. Woohoo! Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Pistachio sides. Here's the Pistachio back. The back will look a little bit like that. I'm peeking through the hole here. There's the Pistachio back. That will be a tenor. It'll be, I'll start working on that probably either this week or beginning of next week. Here's the soundboard for the other tenor that I'm doing. This is Port Orford cedar, of course. It's got a lot of ribbon in it, a lot of really nice, beautiful grain. Here's the myrtle back for it. I love this thing. This is a beautiful piece of wood. Book matched myrtle. This will be the back for that ukulele tenor, and here are the sides for that tenor. These are also book matched, all from the same log. And as you know, our myrtle, pistachio, all of our California woods, myrtle, pistachio, walnut, Port Orford cedar, they're all reclaimed. So they're all recycled wood or reclaimed wood from the old logging stands in Southern Oregon and Northern California. Well, that's about it. I just wanted to give you a brief update of what's going on in the shop. Say Happy New Year and wish you all a great year. 2020 was fantastic for us. I hope it was incredible for you guys as well. Business-wise, the best year we've ever had. We have a new granddaughter. We've got all sorts of wonderful things to give God the praise for. 2020, it was an amazing year, incredible year, and we're praying the same for 2021. That's it from the bench, from the shop, here on a snowy December 31st, 2020. Tomorrow's a new day and a new year. Lord bless you guys. Have a great New Year's.